Today's Daily Power prescription is Hiccup Help. Hiccups are repetitive, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, that muscle just below your lungs that separates your chest from your abdomen. Each spasm causes your vocal cords and larynx to close suddenly, stimulating a rush of air into the lungs, and then your body gasps, making that telltale hic sound. Now, hiccups are often thought to be caused by either eating too much, eating too quickly, or eating foods that are too hot and spicy, drinking carbonation or alcohol, and sometimes it can be caused by excitement or emotional stress. Or there's something called aerophagia, which is a medical term for swallowing too much air. It happens very often when trying to drink from a straw. Now, if you're holding your breath and it doesn't get rid of your hiccups, here are a few other things that you might try. Try sipping water differently. Try taking 20 small sips as quickly as you can. The idea here is because you are swallowing water repeatedly, you can't breathe in so quickly, forcing your body to calm down and slow down the nerve impulses that go to your diaphragm. You can also try to sip from the other side of the glass. That's right, lean over the glass and try swallowing just in a different way. Besides sipping, you can also try stimulating the vagus nerve. That controls your swallowing, breathing, and your vocal cords. Do this by either pulling on your tongue, pressing on your carotid arteries on either side of your neck, or gently pressing on your eyeballs through closed eyelids. You're trying to interrupt that reflex spasm and calm your body down. Now, for most people, hiccups are a short-lived annoyance, but there is an actual condition called intractable or chronic hiccups. And one of the longest recorded cases, 60 years it lasted. Now, if you experience anything over 48 hours, definitely call your doctor because it may be something more severe. Well, that's our Daily Power prescription today. For anything you missed, just go to our website, thedoctorstv.com. We're living in uncertain times. It's tough to keep up with the latest medical headlines.
About the market, panicked about COVID.
And how do those headlines impact you and your family? On season 13 of The Doctors, we want to empower you physically.
If I met them at dance, they would meet me at medicine.
Man, I love that. Emotionally.
If I can change my thoughts, I can change my feelings.
And medically.
He doesn't have his mask up, which is not a good thing.
This is the $1 million question, maybe the $1 trillion question. This is so critical for people to hear. We're giving you the inside track on health and wellness so that you can get back to the life you deserve. It's time to take back your power. The Doctors, now more than ever. Premieres September 21st.